Okay, everyone's moving to Oklahoma right now. This is one of the properties they're looking for. We're talking 5.27 acres, almost 2,400 square feet, 4 beds, garden that's been maintained and, what did they say? Maintain and added manure. There's a word for it, but I can't think of it right now, but it has been a very well-worked garden for the last 3 years. We've got elderberry bushes. We've got peach trees, 40-foot tall peach tree. We've got apple trees. We've got did I say 5.27 acres? I did. I really did. 5.275 acres. We've got fenced and cross-fenced property all here in Oklahoma, folks, and that's what we're going to be showing you today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the property. You're gonna love what I'm getting ready to show you. So as we're walking over here, we're gonna be looking at a well, its own separate well, just for this front part of the property. So you could put another animal pen up here if you wanted. And look at all these trees. Look at how wooded this lot is. So that water spigot right there, that's the one that connects to that well. And look at the size of these trees. These are at least 30, if not 40-foot trees. You've got a great little fire pit right here, great picnic area, tons of picnics, tons of everything happens out here in this one portion. This one portion is the size of most people's yards. Now, let's go look at the first set of elderberry bushes. Hey, do you deer hunt? Look at all this. Look at all this. Acorns, acorns, acorns. And right there, that is your porch. That's your front porch, people. Acorns, porch, 40 feet, maybe 40 feet. Elderberry, folks, elderberry. You know how much these things can do for you health-wise? I'm not a doctor, so I can't tell you about it, but you could do your own research. Elderberry. Do you like it when you get to have backyard hoedowns or backyard jamming out sessions? Look at this right here. You got your own little thing and everyone can sit right here and just enjoy it. Imagine this, imagine this. Tables full of food, full of barbecue, full of hamburgers, full of hot dogs. Band up there playing good, wholesome gospel music. Everyone enjoying the whole front yard. This is America, folks. This is what you're looking for. Come on, let's go look at the garden. There was a garden. This is it. This is like 150 feet by 150 feet. This is the size of my backyard in the city, and it's a garden. It's a garden. And you've even got kale coming up right now, and eggplant. Kale and eggplant coming up right now. You don't have to put the work into your homestead that you're buying here, folks. You don't have to put the work into it. This family's already done it. And when you lose electricity in Oklahoma because of an ice storm, guess what? That propane tank goes to the back living room and the front living room fireplace. The front living room fireplace is wood or propane. We're not done looking at all this place. Behind that fence right there, more land. More land. It's fenced and cross-fenced. RV storage, check. Back half of the property with a runoff pond, check. That's a 30-foot peach tree. Yes, who doesn't like jam? I love peach jam. Big heart. Love it. That's an apple tree. And guess what? There are 1, 2, 3 more apple trees coming up. That's an orchard. That's an orchard, folks. You have an apple orchard, a working garden, elderberry bushes, wooded lot, fireplace, 2 wells, 4-bed home, almost 2,400 square feet, all available for you in Oklahoma, where you can constitutionally carry. Come on, folks. This is the America you're looking for. And here's your second well, right there, second well. Are you looking for a 50 amp RV hookup? It's got it. New homeowner, where art thou, new homeowner? Oh my gosh! If you don't want to sit on the front porch and harvest your livestock, you can sit up here. The oak tree is right there. This front porch is brand new. I'm gonna say 8 inches of concrete. I mean, you could park a semi on it. Don't park a semi on it. Just you get the point. 8 inches, really awesome concrete. Look, garden bed, garden bed, garden bed, garden bed. Folks, what you're looking for, what you've been saying you want, all the work's done already. It's all here. Come on, let's go take a look inside. Oh, hey, you already beat me. You know how sometimes you have allergies? You know how sometimes you really wish that you had an easy floor to clean? This home, concrete floors all downstairs. Concrete floors. You don't have to worry about allergies. You don't have to worry about vacuuming. You don't have to worry about the dirt that's underneath the carpet pad. That's one of the big positives here in this living area. And you're gonna be amazed at the size of this living room and formal dining. Okay, come on. Have you guys been to the circus? Elephants are huge, right? This room, I'm thinking at least 3 elephants can fit in it. And this is the main living room with the wood burning fireplace or propane, depending on what you want to use. Look at how they finished out this mantle. Is this not just awesome? I'll put the name of this finish down below. I can't think of it right now. You guys are so fast. Look at the size of this dining room. Look at this, 265-pound man. You know how you go to some people's houses and there's no room to walk around the table? This table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, easy. Light fixture. Look at that finish. Wow, that's gotta be original. That is awesome. And this view, if you're inside relaxing, you're easily enjoying the backyard hoedown area. God, you can see your elderberry bushes. You can see your 40-foot peach tree. You can enjoy being in the dining room with the family while everybody's cooking. This is America. This is the homestead home that you're looking for. You know how many holiday dinners I could have at this table for the rest of my life? I can't even count that many. I can't touch both walls. I cannot touch both walls. I could do a helicopter in here. That's how much space you have in this pantry. This is crazy. This is way bigger than my bed in the Navy. Yeah, this is my bed in the Navy. And this is just for storage, for food, for pots, for pans. I've never seen a pantry this big. Oh man, You gotta have somewhere to put all that stuff from the garden, right? Let's look at the kitchen. Countertops, countertops, cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Updated dishwasher, 50/50 stainless steel sink, glass top electric freestanding stove and oven, built-in microwave, and all that just off the dining room. There's just so much in this house. Let's go look at the study. You beat me again. Look at this study. Has COVID got you working from home? Or does it have you teaching the kids from home? Well, this study is huge. I'm gonna guesstimate it's at least 20 by 20. You've got a ton of tabletop space to set the kids up at the computer. You've got plenty of room for a middle desk, of course. And while you're out here studying, you get to take in all the land. You could get so much schoolwork done, so much. You could move your whole office here. This room is so big, you could actually move your whole office here and have them work out of this room. Wow. Let's go look at the master. Sorry about that. I said we were gonna go look at the bedrooms, but I wanted to show you this room first. This would be my room. This would be my room if I was still living at home with my folks, which I left as soon as I was 18, and I recommend every 18-year-old do that. Right off the garage, and down away from everyone, so I can get a peaceful rest. This room is so cool. Oh, wow. And it's really close to the washer dryer machine. That is this room's closet, not the washer dryer machine. But I wanted to show you that too. This is the room I'd choose. Let's go look at the bedrooms. Yes, it's a split level house. How else are you gonna fit 2,400 square feet in this footprint? Well, the cool thing about it is all the bedrooms, except for one, are upstairs. Right now, let's take a look at the master. You're really gonna love the size of it. With 3 bedrooms upstairs, the master having a walk-in closet and having a full bath. And then of course the 2 guest bedrooms having their own guest bath all upstairs means you can keep every one of your family that you want to close to you. And the 4th bedroom is downstairs by the garage. All right, let's look at bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3, it's the one with the balcony. Let's go take a look at it together. This is why people are moving to Oklahoma. Houses like this. And this one, it can be yours. 5.27 acres, more or less. 4 bedrooms. 2 baths, a giant study, a giant living room, giant dining room, wood burning fireplace, working garden, RV storage, 2 water wells, trees, elderberry, apple trees, peach tree. It's available, folks, listed and ready for you. Give us a call, come buy it. You won't be disappointed. This is the home you're looking for, in the state you're looking for.